Did you know one man survived both atomic bombs and lived to tell about it? Tsutomu Yamaguchi was working in Hiroshima when the first bomb dropped on August 6, 1945. Burned and injured, he somehow made it home to Nagasaki. 3 days later, he was back at work when he heard the familiar drone of engines overhead. Looking up, he recognized the same type of bomber from Hiroshima. He screamed at his colleagues to take cover just as the second atomic bomb detonated. The blast threw him across the room as glass shards tore through his body. He watched his coworkers simply disappear in the heat. For a week, he crawled home through the wasteland, pulling glass from his flesh while radiation sickness consumed him. When he finally reached his door, his wife didn't recognize the burned, swollen face staring back at her. Against all odds, he survived both attacks. He lived until 2010, the only person on Earth to endure both atomic bombs. The man who cheated nuclear death twice.